I'm Chris Nickel with Elite Insurance Solutions, and you're watching The Last Line of Defense. On January 8th, the Wall Street Journal came out with an article titled, "Buying Home and Auto Insurance is Becoming Impossible." And in this article, they specifically talk about the challenges that carriers are facing in the market and challenges that consumers are facing because of these challenges. So here's the deal. Insurance companies have lost billions of dollars over the last few years, and then you pair that with unprecedented inflation. You have carriers that feel like they have to raise rates in order to not lose money. If you want to raise your rates, if you're an insurance carrier, you have to go out and seek approval from the insurance commissioner of that state. And the insurance commissioner can grant that rate increase, or they can say no. And the article specifically talks about a couple carriers that have gotten declined on their rate increase by the insurance commissioner. So certain states are saying, no, our consumers cannot take on more rate increase. They can't afford it. So we're not gonna let you raise the rates. And the insurance companies are coming back and saying, well, hold on a second. We have an obligation to our shareholders not to lose money. At that point, the insurance companies are saying, well, if you're not gonna grant our rate increase, then we're not gonna be able to do business here. We're gonna change our underwriting guidelines, make it very strict, and only allow certain clients to do business with us. So with these carriers changing their underwriting guidelines and really becoming more strict, we are seeing a hard market is what people in the industry are calling it. And it used to be, before this hard market, say in 2020, we would have a customer come in and say, Chris, give me a home and auto quote. We would go out and we would quote 8 different carriers, and they'd all want your business, and they'd all try and be as competitive as possible. And I get all the quotes together, and I review them, and then I present to the customer. And now it's different. We take that same exact client and we go out and we try and get them quotes, and maybe 1 or 2 or 3 companies come back with a rate. Or only 1 or 2 come back with a rate, but if we want to see the other carrier's rates, we got to submit all kinds of photographs of the house and really paint a really big picture before they'll even release the quote. What we're trying to do is look at the insurance guidelines that these carriers have and teach them to our customers so that they can build a better insurance resume. Just like going out and applying for a job and trying to get the best resume you can to become employed, similar mindset when we're working with insurance. A good insurance resume would be limiting a small number of claims, right? The fewer claims you have, the better you're gonna look to the insurance company. Having a brand new roof and doing all those simple home projects that makes your house look nicer, makes your house safer, makes your house less likely to have a claim. So they're gonna be looking at your driveway, your sidewalk, your roof, your siding, everything, and nitpicking the heck out of it. What we wanna help you do is understand what goes into this good insurance resume, helping you get an idea of what's important to fix now so that we can go out and get more quotes for you. Thanks for tuning into The Last Line of Defense. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content similar to this. If you'd like to reach out to us for help with your insurance needs, please do so, and we'll catch you next time.